Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be taking some scratches out of my wheels. So if you saw my last video where I had the Toyo R888rs installed at the dealer, they had marred my wheels. So I'm going to have to take those out and get that taken care of today. So yeah, when I took the wheels to the dealer, gosh, I don't know, he must have been wearing chainmail gloves or something. Obviously his gloves weren't clean. They scratched the wheels pretty good. Well, the dealer offered to polish the wheels. I declined, mostly in my mind. I didn't want them having the possibility of burning through the clear coat. So these wheels are polished aluminum with a clear coat, so they can be buffed out just like paint, cared for just like paint, and I'm going to be doing that today. So let's get to it. Let's go in the garage and check it out. So I'm going to start by putting on some super clean all-wheel cleaner. This stuff seems to do okay. What I'm wanting to do is get off all the surface, the big stuff, you know, especially the brake dust. I don't want to be polishing on brake dust. And this is just a bucket of, this happened to be wires, car wash, get to the end of my jug of it, so. Put around the pipe first. My plan is to polish the chrome. Oh, chrome. My plan is to polish the flat surfaces of aluminum. This area in here I'll be polishing by hand. These I'll be using a machine on. And then just these areas in here, I might do this area, but along the sides, I couldn't see any scratches. I could only really see it in here. I went ahead and dried my wheel with the microfiber. I'm going to be spraying it down with Meguiar's iron removing spray clay. You always want to shake your products up. Let's see what it does. Okay, so this stuff's been on a couple minutes. So the main purpose of getting the iron off the paint, or in this case the wheel, is you don't want to be polishing that with the polisher and take that piece of iron and drag it over the surface. You actually want to get it out so it's not an abrasive, and that's what the point of this is. So we're going to be using the Max Shine M8S dual action polisher. This is the first time I'm using this. Seems pretty good quality. It's quite heavy. So speed is variable in the back. We're going to be using it on probably 2 to start off with. We're going to be applying the Meguiar's Scratch X2. This is for fine scratches, and this should take out the scratches that he put into the clear coat. It is clear coat safe. And then we're going to follow it up on a finishing pad. This is a polishing pad, Max Shine. We're going to be finishing up with a red finishing pad using the Mother's Brazilian cleaner wax, and then that should restore the luster. Scratches from the technician are gone. There's some deeper scratches that I'm not too interested in trying to get out, just because I don't want to get that down into the clear coat. Well, these came out somewhat. His glove marks are pretty much gone. So I guess I'm just going to have to live with that little bit of light scratching that's in it. If that is in the top coat, well, it would take a lot of hand polishing. I don't want to polish too much with the dual action because it rubs up against this edge here, and that would be where the clear coat starts to disappear, is on the edges. So all this would have to be done by hand, and once it's on the car, I don't know if I'd really notice it. Hey, I hope you liked the video today. I know it's not a comprehensive video on polishing wheels. This was really just meant to show you what I had to do to get that mechanic's scratches from his gloves out. So the deeper scratches, I'm okay with them being there because I don't want to risk taking the clear coat off. And using a DA to polish wheels is probably a little unconventional. I'm sure they do it another way, but I knew it was going to be faster than hand polishing, maybe a little more uniform, and I wasn't going to be having to take too much of the clear coat off in order to do the correction. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Check out the other videos and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell, and when I make more videos.